Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones Day trade setups for today. So we had a bit of a green bar on Friday, but this is looking a little tight, and I'll explain now in the lower time frames why it's looking tight. I think the key thing here is we are in this congestion. This level here is very important, which is 28,291, and the next level that we need to pay attention to right now is pretty much 28,996. Okay, we slap bang in the middle of those two areas right now. So if we move down to the 3 hour, you'll see a fairly well defined wedge here. There is the top of it. There is the bottom of it. So what I would anticipate is a bit of a pullback, possibly onto 28,291 for another move up. Remember, this wedge is not really a wedge until it's broken and retested. So at the moment it is consolidating. It does look like it needs a pullback. Could pull back as deep as onto this area, but I do believe with the weekly close above 28,291, if you don't believe me, we go look there. Okay, there's 28,291. We've had a weekly close above it pretty convincingly. I'd like to see us come back onto here, find support, and that's a buying opportunity for me. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. What may happen though is we may just continue in this sort of tight little channel here. Just keep continuing going up today. There's not much noise coming out today. So unless something transpires or Twitter gets set alight again, I doubt we're going to be doing much except probably going sideways or sideways to up. The challenge with that at the moment is it's still almost a 200 points range. So I would still be looking to buy, and you can probably come down to the 15-minute for this, and obviously look to buy off support. And if you put your support levels in, that's not a support level, you can see some fairly significant ones here, and this one here is actually pretty significant. You can see how much has been going on there, and you can see all that it does is it lines up with the 1 hour fractals, and that is good enough for me. Okay, so I'm looking to buy off support, and the first support level is 28,592. Second one is going to be 28,515 or 28,500, and a really good one for me would be a much deeper pullback into 28,291. Okay, so I'm still looking for longs, and if you look at where we are at the moment, we've got a little bit to get through before we can move up and target 28,996. And I think ultimately 28,996 is the target. Now, what you may find is a break above this upward trend line, come back, find support on it, and then move up, which is pretty much what happened here. But this was on a much higher time frame. Okay, anyway, I'm not going to get into that at the moment. Point is, for me, we're looking for opportunities to buy to get rid of the noise. Trend is up, looking for support. So wait for Europe open and see what transpires here. And what you also see is a flat top triangle brewing at the moment. Okay, so yeah, that's kind of my view for today. Any bit of a pullback onto support, and there's quite a bit of support here, is going to get me long. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.